there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. I'm creating videos about my art experimentations and many things around art. Welcome in this new video. Last year I shared with you 10 gift ideas for creative people, and I have more, so let's go for 10 new gift ideas. 1. A retro camera. This year retro is coming back, and one of my favorite trends that is coming back is the retro film cameras. Instax are super trending since a few years, but film camera or retro digital camera are great to explore creativity. It's a bit nostalgic as well, but for the ones who never used digital retro camera or film camera, it's always super fun to explore this medium as an artist. 2. Creative kits. For people like me who loves to try out every hobbies in the world, it's often quite expensive to invest in all these hobbies. So creative kits are perfect to try out a hobby. Just be careful, it's better to have a kit with less items but better quality than a kit with a ton of items but a terrible quality. There is plenty of kits for almost anything and for all prices. My current favorite ones are the ones for linoprint, screen printing and tufting. 3. Art workshops. It's really fun to try out some new medium and hobbies by yourself, but it's also really great to participate in an art workshop so you can actually have a teacher. It's usually more efficient to learn that way because you will avoid a few mistakes along the way of learning. There is a lot of workshop almost everywhere, so you will need to look for the workshops available in your area. 4. Originals from artists. Last year we talked about print and merch from artists, but something that I love to collect and that a lot of people love to collect as well are original illustrations and paintings. Now it's quite easy to find out your friend or family favorite small artist. You just need to check their following on the social media. For the price you will find everything. It's not especially that expensive, so you will probably find something in your budget and you will help to support small artists. 5. Art magazines. We already talked about art books that are always a good gift, but they can be quite expensive. A good alternative is the magazine. They can be cheap and they can be a really cool source of inspiration. And there are some art magazines for everything: architecture, specific art movement, graphic design, video games, etc. 6. Pantone merch. If your friend or family are color lovers like I am, they probably know Pantone and their colors. Something really fun that Pantone do each year is to select a color that is becoming the color of the year. Last year, the color of the year was a really beautiful purple, and for 2023, it's a magenta. They create some really cool merch, including really nice mugs, which are quite expensive. But there is a tip: if you're selecting a merch like a mug from a previous year, it's way less expensive. It's a good gift because it's a mug and not a cheap one, so I will not buy one myself for me, and they're so pretty. 7. Puzzles. Something else that is coming back as a trendy activity, maybe because the COVID and the hours that we had to spend inside, is the puzzle. There is a lot of companies that are creating new trendy design and they are becoming art objects that are super fun to make. And it's a perfect activity during winter. I recently discovered the brand Cavallini & Co. and their puzzles and posters are so beautiful. 8. Pencil cases. Something that I never have enough of are the little bags where I can store my art supplies. I personally love the flat pencil cases because you can store them easily. I also love to use makeup bags as pencil cases because they are bigger, especially the transparent ones, so you can see what is actually in your bag. I love to have a bunch of them because I can separate my art supplies. For example, I have one case for Posca, one for pencils and one for pen. And I also have one that I'm keeping super light and that I'm putting in my backpack with my sketchbook so I can draw almost anywhere. It's super cheap and a great gift, and if you want, you can even buy a few pens or pencils to put inside to create your own little art supply kit to offer. 9. Tote bags. This is something that can be so useful and yet so pretty. A lot of artists are creating their own tote bags, so you can probably find a lot of original designs created by small artists. It's quite cheap, so a cool gift if you have a small budget as well. I don't know why, but I love to collect them. 10. Stickers. This one can be 50-50. I only know people who are obsessed with stickers or people who doesn't give a fuck at all. There is no in between. This is a perfect gift for creative people who loves to personalize their belongings or people who are journaling. It's a merch which is super cheap and easy to use. They can be glossy, holographic, going on a lot of different surfaces, and a lot of artists are creating versions of their artworks as stickers, so you can bring a piece of art everywhere with you. I don't think people ever gifted me stickers for Christmas, but I would love to. Usually it's a gift from me to me because you are never better served than by yourself. And that's it for today. I hope that these few ideas will help you to make your creative friends and family happy. Don't hesitate to share other gift ideas for creative people in comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!